Peaceful lake views, timeless coastal architecture, amazing beach access, and the peaceful privacy of WaterSound West Beach, this home delivers the 30A lifestyle we all dream of. Come and join me for a tour of 212 Tumblehome Way.
212 Tumblehome Way is a stunning lakefront residence in WaterSound West Beach featuring 4 bedrooms, 4.5 baths, and over 3,500 square feet of beautifully furnished coastal luxury. Inside, you're greeted by warm hardwood floors, custom millwork, and an inviting open concept layout. The gourmet kitchen showcases GE monogram appliances, granite countertops, and a built-in breakfast nook with banquette seating. A perfect blend of elegance and function. The living room offers relaxed sophistication, framed by shiplap walls and custom plantation shutters throughout the home. Just through the double doors, an expansive screened porch creates seamless indoor-outdoor living. Enjoy a fireplace, outdoor kitchen, and bar seating for 7, all overlooking the lake. The primary suite on the main level is a peaceful retreat featuring a coffered wood beam ceiling, a spa-like bath with marble vanity, soaking tub, and walk-in shower, and direct access to the screened porch. Completing the first floor is a half bath, a spacious laundry and utility room, and access to an oversized 2-car garage with 10-foot ceilings and hurricane-rated doors. As you make your way upstairs, you find a large flex landing space offering plenty of room for a media area or second living room, ideal for guests or family gatherings. Above the garage, the bonus suite doubles as a guest retreat or private office, complete with a breakfast bar, sink, refrigerator, and ice maker. Each guest suite features walk-in closets and private ensuite baths, ensuring comfort and privacy for every visitor. Thoughtful details and coastal textures continue throughout, creating a timeless 30A feel that's equal parts refined and relaxed. Step outside to the second floor screened porch, where you'll find a reinforced deck supporting a full hot tub and panoramic lake views, the perfect sunset location. From every angle, 212 Tumblehome Way captures the essence of luxury lakeside living on 30A. Set within the gated community of WaterSound West Beach, this neighborhood offers privacy and peace, framed by coastal dunes and protected parkland. Miles of wooden boardwalks connect you to the coastal dune lake, community pool, and beach access, inviting you to explore by bike or on foot. The zero-entry pool is a family favorite, complete with shaded cabanas, grilling areas, and an outdoor fireplace, all surrounded by lush, natural beauty. From here, enjoy a breathtaking stroll down the boardwalk to your private deeded beach access. Adjacent to Deer Lake State Park, where the coastal dune lake meets the Gulf in one of 30A's most breathtaking settings.
Well, as you can see, 212 Tumblehome Way brings together the best of WaterSound West Beach. Lakefront serenity, timeless coastal design, and the resort-style outdoor living, all just steps from the Gulf. To check out the complete listing, click the link in the description below or scan this QR code on the screen. And if you're ready to talk about finding your own place here on 30A, reach out anytime by connecting with the contact information in the description below. Until next time, make it a great day on 30A.